In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Jira workflow transitions not working. If you're trying to move an issue in Jira and nothing happens, or the transition option is missing or blocked, the good news is that this is usually caused by a workflow setting, a permission issue, or a required field that hasn't been completed. We'll go through the process step by step so you can identify exactly where the problem is coming from and fix it properly. Start by opening the Jira issue that cannot be moved. Check the issue's current status and then confirm which transition you're trying to use. This is important because a transition only works if it exists for that status in the workflow. In other words, not every issue can move to every status directly, so first make sure the transition you expect is actually available from the issue's current position. Next, go to Project Settings and select Workflows. Find the workflow being used by that issue, then open Edit Workflow. Here, review the workflow carefully. Make sure the transition exists, verify that it connects the correct statuses, and confirm that the workflow is active. Sometimes the transition is present, but it points somewhere unexpected or changes were made in a draft and never fully applied. After that, open the workflow editor and select the transition that's causing the problem. Review the Conditions section. Conditions control who is allowed to perform a transition and under what circumstances. If users are being blocked, this is one of the first places to look. Make sure the correct users have permission to perform the action and remove or update any conditions that are too restrictive. Then check the transition's validators. Validators are rules Jira checks before allowing the issue to move. Open the transition settings, select validators, and look for anything that might be preventing the transition. Required fields are a very common blocker. For example, the issue may be missing an assignee, required fields may be empty, or an approval may not be completed. Either fill in the missing information or adjust the validator rules if they no longer fit your process. Next, review the transition screen assigned to that workflow action. In the workflow editor, select the transition and check the assigned screen. Make sure all required fields actually appear there. If users are expected to complete information during the transition, but the screen doesn't show those fields, they may be blocked without understanding why. Then go to Project Settings and open Permissions. Check the transition issue's permission and confirm the relevant user or group has access. Even a correct workflow won't help if the user simply doesn't have permission to move the issue. Finally, open the issue itself and review any issue-specific restrictions. It may be assigned to another user, locked by an approval step, or waiting for required information. Resolve those blockers first, then try the transition again. Once you check each of these areas, you can usually pinpoint the exact reason the Jira workflow transition isn't working and fix it with confidence.